what he was signing up for, and he signed up for it. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I'm not. मेरा प्यार अंधा नहीं है. ठीक है, मैं सुमन नहीं हूँ.
If I was offered by a partner on a fully paid trip to fucking Switzerland, I
वो भी
wouldn't be begging.
Not just any partner.
This is the extent of Preeti simping on Shahrukh.
Problematic Shahrukh.
हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम. She's found two simping moments. Two. Hello. Welcome back to another episode of 10 रुपए की Pepsi, हमारा शाहरुख sexy. This week we're doing a movie which like I am just so not excited about, and I am the one who chose the movie. हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम. And we've got the name out within the first 15 seconds, so Disha should be proud.
Yeah, Diggy is like so. मतलब like all of us actually, not just Diggy, but we just want to get this over with. Like
yeah, I swear. It is, oh my god, like we are getting to this part like 50 minutes too soon, but it is just not a good movie, right? It's so bad. And since we watched it about more than a week ago, or I think
2
a week
weeks ago. We watched it 2 weeks ago, and we have
We
been
watched it
trying
2 weeks ago, is it?
schedule time
We've been trying-
to record a podcast
तो
for
दिल
the
है कि
past 2
मानता नहीं
weeks.
है. बिल्कुल नहीं मन कर रहा है रिकॉर्ड करने का. तो 2 हफ्ते से we've been trying, but finally we sat down and committed to this. Maybe we can make this like one of our first few podcasts. कि आधे घंटे में खत्म बस. Discuss क्या
I'm
and we're
in.
done with it.
I'm in. You can spend 15 of those minutes giving the summary and 15 of those minutes doing the quiz, and I will
quiz
be
pass.
happy.
Okay, maybe I'll give the summary and then we can just bash the movie for the next 10 minutes. कि हमें क्या चीजें नहीं अच्छी लगी इस movie के बारे में, and we'll just I don't know, we can simp about this.
You know,
We can
if
skip
you
it
want to
and
make
then
it shorter, we can spend
Yeah.
10 minutes trying to find things we liked about this movie.
Oh god.
2 minutes में खत्म हो जाएगा.
It's so difficult.
I love us.
But anyways, as the format of the podcast demands, I have to give the story. And to do that, I watched the movie again. Not again, like I just fast forward थोड़ा major scenes के क्या हुआ था. But I had to go through those moments all over again, which I
So proud of you for doing this again. Because
I'm in shock
Yeah.
that you put yourself through that. Like, I mean, I would have just read a Wikipedia summary. I actually watched the recap video, which another podcaster recorded like yesterday or day before.
Oh
yesterday.
yeah, that would have been a better idea. That was at least funny. I don't know why I just didn't do that. Anyways, let's just move on and stop this. So this movie has a very weird story. Okay, so basically starts off with this woman who goes to her father and says, "Okay, listen, I want money because my husband's dying." And the father says, "No, he's a drunk. I will not give you money anymore."
I
And
forgot
he turns
that
her away and
happened.
that's how it starts. And she basically tells her, "Okay, if you don't give me money, my 2 kids will never see your face again." She takes her 2 kids, which is young Shahrukh and young Shahrukh's sister, and she takes them away. And as luck would have it, the husband dies.
no.
She takes
Oh sorry,
young
no,
Madhuri.
sorry. See, that's the part I didn't rewatch, so I forgot. Sorry, oh my god. Yeah, it's Madhuri and her
Take
younger
2.
brother. Sorry, take 2. It's Madhuri and her younger brother, right? Atul Agnihotri, I think. Anyways,
While young
Uh,
Shahrukh and young Shahrukh's sister stay back with Alok Nath.
stay back with Alok Nath
They
and
don't
they
stay back with Alok Nath,
stay-
right? They are his
stay
friends.
back. Yeah, but his friend dies, so they as far as we know, they stay with him only. Anyways, they're his friends' kids, and he sort of adopted them, and his own grandkids are now haven't met him for about 30 odd years. Is when the flashback sort of ends, and it's to present time. Present time, Alok Nath is ill, so his daughter wants to go meet him. On the way, the daughter dies.
No, wait,
Such a
wait.
stupid scene.
This is important. The daughter wants to go
Okay.
meet him because he is dying.
Because he
And
is
on-
dying. Yeah, he's on his
on the
deathbed.
way
She's
to
like,
the
क्या हम
hospital."
पहुंच पाएंगे time पे? क्या हम पहुंच पाएंगे time पे? But you know, this is apparently a dark comedy, and she dies such a funny fashion. There's a like I don't know why I'm getting into this, but there's a truck that comes, hits the auto. She gets chucked out of the auto, and then a car runs her
And then
over. and it's just
So
it's
there was this running joke in some, I don't know what video I was watching, in which somebody said that Salman Khan ran over her. Like basically,
oh man.
people are
But-
really.
yeah, it's so weird. So, anyways,
Wait, because she was on the
also
footpath. Fuck, I just got the joke. I was like, wait, no, Salman was not driving.
I'm like, why is Diksha not laughing? This is a nice joke. Am I not making sense?
all right. So, that reminds me, Salman Khan is also in the movie. He plays Madhuri Dixit's friend, and he meets her when they're children, and he's an orphan. So her mother adopts him also. Okay, bhai tu aaja, and you start living with us. And he doesn't have a name, so she names him Suraj. Anyways, now the kids, which is Madhuri and her brother, they go and meet their father, no, their grandfather, and he tells them, okay, now you're part of the household. And his father is suddenly happy. It's one day after his daughter has died, and he cannot hold back his laughter and his smile because he's fixed his granddaughter's marriage to Shah Rukh Khan, who's that kid of his friend. Anyway, Shah Rukh apparently
He didn't
loves
ask either of
Madhuri
them, by
Dixit.
the way.
He
He
didn't
informed Shah Rukh Khan that I'm
Yeah.
getting you married to Madhuri Dixit, while Madhuri Dixit is also in the room, and both of them are just like,
Yeah.
Okay, cool, bro.
And he's like, Radha से पूछने की क्या जरूरत है? Because I've just met her yesterday. तो मैं उसकी शादी करा सकता हूँ. But
मैंने अभी पूछने वाली थी कि क्या दोनों को नाम याद है, शाहरुख खान और माधुरी को, क्योंकि हमने एक बार भी कैरेक्टर का नाम क्या है नहीं बोला है.
छोड़ो यार, शाहरुख
Gopal.
माधुरी बोलूंगा मैं तो.
Gopal, Radha,
Gopal,
and Suraj.
Gopal, Radha, Suraj. Yeah, okay. But alright, they get married, and turns out Madhuri is kind of stupid. Like, she has no idea how the world works. उसको कुछ चीजें समझ नहीं आती. Shahrukh wants to have sex with her, and she has no idea ये क्या चल रहा है. And all she keeps telling him is दूर हो
ये
जाओ,
क्या
दूर
कर
हो
रहे
जाओ,
हो?
दूर
ये
हो
क्या
जाओ.
कर रहे हो?
ये क्या कर रहे हो? ये क्या कर रहे हो? That was part of that recap video, right? And she's so stupid, यार. मतलब उसको इतना stupid क्यों दिखाया है? Madhuri is such a good actress. And anyways, enter Suraj, who is Salman Khan, and this is the main conflict in the movie कि वो उसका बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. And वो legit conflict भी है मेरे हिसाब से, because वो उसको सारा time call करता रहता है, सारा time उसके घर पहुंचा रहता है. शाहरुख घर पहुंचता है, she's on the phone with Suraj. और घर पहुंचता है, Suraj is right there with him. It's a very weird friendship. Like, I wouldn't be comfortable with this kind of friendship.
Also,
तो
उनकी शादी होने से पहले वो जाते हैं उसके पास इनवाइट करने,
हाँ,
और वो शाहरुख
yeah.
उधर वो गोपाल का बोलता है, आप मेरी राधा का ख्याल रखें.
Yeah, so there are multiple points where like he keeps calling her and she tells him कि मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करती हूँ, अभी वो घर पे हैं, वो ऑफिस चले जाएंगे तब बात करूंगी. And probably she just means to let me be a little more free to talk to you. But anyways, it's weird things. Then something like that happens कि वो उसका माधुरी का भाई होता है, who's now living with her, because वो खुद तो inept आदमी है, उसको काम नहीं होता है. तो through some accident he ends up in the bathroom where Shah Rukh's sister comes and has a bath.
Through some accident. No, wait. He was fixing the light bulb or some
fixing the light
geyser
bulb.
or something in the bathroom.
Light bulb.
And some woman walks into the bathroom and starts taking off her clothes, and his solution is not to say, hey, stop, wait, I'm here. His solution is to stand there with his hands over his eyes as if like, oh my god, now what do I do? मैं कहाँ फंस गया? मैं victim हूँ यहाँ पे. हद छूटा इंसान. मतलब
हाँ, वो आई immediately बोला कि hello, मैं light bulb change कर रहा हूँ. But anyways, he gets caught. Shah Rukh gets angry, slaps the shit out of him, tells him to get out of the house.
First of many.
Anyways.
First of many.
Okay, and now उसको लग रहा है कि मैं अनाथ हो गया हूँ, तो मैं क्या करूँ, because he's so codependent on his sister for anything and everything at all. So he goes to Suraj, and multiple other things keep happening. So the conflict keeps rising. Suraj is again just constantly, and वो weird things happen. Anyway, Shah Rukh gets sick of it. He's like, तुम्हारी दोस्ती बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है, and he runs into people who are cheating on their wives and their husbands, and he realizes कि ये तो बहुत गलत है. And a lot of sexist things start happening, right? A lot of sexist things. Like Shah Rukh says things like, अरे मर्द तो तुम्हारा देवता होना चाहिए, तुम्हें उसकी पूजा करनी चाहिए, भगवान से पहले तुम्हारा मर्द आना चाहिए. All of that, and after saying all of this, he tells Madhuri कि तुम जाओ इस घर से बाहर. I don't
अपना
want to.
जिस्म क्यों दिखा रही हो? To his secretary.
He tells the secretary who was wearing like a full t-shirt with like
बहुत
pant.
गर्मी है तुम्हारे अंदर.
हाँ, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा भाई. टी-शर्ट उसकी गर्दन दिख रही होगी एट मैक्स थोड़ी सी, and उसमें भी उसको दिक्कत हो जाती है. But anyways, he's just shown as such a nobody. So the problem with this movie is that everybody is partially right. but they're mostly wrong.
Everyone is almost right. I won't even say partial. Everyone is on the verge of saying something sensible.
Yeah.
On the verge. They almost get it, but they don't. Every single time. Like,
Yeah. And anyways, हम लोग थोड़ा issue तो है, like she knows कि सूरज को हॉर्लिक्स पसंद है and she doesn't know शाहरुख को क्या पसंद है, all of that. वो घर से बाहर निकाल देता है, सूरज कहता है घर से मुझे बाहर, तुम्हें बाहर क्यों निकाला, and he's like मुझे नहीं पता, she doesn't want to tell him कि तेरी वजह से है. And so
I love
anyway,
it how you remember the Horlicks of all the
अरे वो मैंने recap किया ना, वो आया उसमें subtitle, मैं सुन नहीं रहा, subtitle देख रहा था, तो उसमें आया. So anyways, Salman goes to Shahrukh and tells him कि भाई listen, let's why did you do this? And Shahrukh takes a loaded gun with him, and it's sort of very the setup is कह रही है क्या होने वाला है, but he hands him the loaded gun, tells him मार मेरे को, तेरे वजह से हर दिन मैं वैसे ही मरता हूँ. And this scene apparently is very popular with a lot of men nowadays on
Iconic
Instagram and all of
oh
that.
God.
Yeah, उनको लगता है कि अरे हाँ हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, हमारी गर्लफ्रेंड भी अपने दोस्तों से, all that incel whatever culture जो होता है आजकल. But this scene otherwise is very funny. Like everybody should go to YouTube and just see this scene. तुम छिछोरे होगा तुम्हारे यहाँ सनम. This is a very funny scene. But anyways, Salman realizes it's because of him. And after getting very angry, he does realize कि अरे हाँ I have just been behaving with her the way I was before marriage and sort of encroaching on their privacy, and he introspects and realizes, okay, probably I am at wrong right now. Anyways, enters his girlfriend, Aishwarya Rai, who goes to Shah Rukh Khan, tells him, listen, I am blind. लेकिन मुझे भी दिखता है कि उनके दोनों के बीच में कुछ नहीं है. And that is the sole reason she is blind in this movie, just to say that dialogue.
No, guys. It's disabled representation. Like, that character could have been played by an able-bodied person, but no, they cast a blind person. No, they cast an able-bodied person to play the role of a blind person.
Yeah, they could have. Anyways, maybe this is casted
I'm not even saying anything.
Preeti's like, sorry, Diksha, you say all the politically incorrect things. I am in the wrong position to say this. मैं नहीं बोल सकती. Oh God. Anyways,
Also,
they reconcile. Go ahead.
I have a funny story. When I was a child, Aishwarya did when she became Miss World and everything, दूरदर्शन पे उसके काफी वीडियोस आते थे about नेत्रदान. ठीक है? मेरे को सच में लगता था कि उसने ऑलरेडी कर दिया.
तो कितनी छोटी थी?
Oh my God.
How old were you? It's such a random story, but that is so funny.
Sorry, I'm laughing. This time,
Okay.
Oh God. So हाँ, मेरे को लगता था कि उसने मिस वर्ल्ड बन के वो इतनी अच्छी है कि उसने अपने आईज डोनेट कर दिया है. और अब वो हम तो
और उसके चेहरे पे क्या मतलब क्या चिपका हुआ है आईज डोनेट करने के बाद.
And then I was like, हम तुम्हारे सनम में वो अपना वही वाला रोल तो नहीं प्ले कर रही है.
Anyway, they reconcile. उसको अवार्ड मिल रहा होता है, वहां पे जाके स्टेज पे जाके सॉरी बोलता है सलमान को कि I see the error of my ways. सलमान also says कि I also see the error of my ways. मैं भी गलत था, आप भी गलत थे, सब गलत थे. Madhuri Dixit is happy because her friend and her husband are now friends, and they end the movie. And so our torture also ended.
I feel like that last scene between Madhuri and Aishwarya is like foreshadowing for Devdas or something. It was so random out of the blue. Like, I can't wait to get to know you or some shit like that they say to each other. And
I can only imagine them. And I can't believe for the life of me that this movie and Devdas came in the same year.
almost like a month apart or something, not even just the same year.
Yeah.
I'm like how, like, make it make sense for me. Like,
You have almost the same cast. You just have, like, I mean, they already had a very good story when Devdas, and they had a better director, I presume. But
listen, I am a big Devdas fan, so that we will discuss in some time when we are watching Devdas.
Sure.
But I like
Anyhow,
Diggy has been so nice about the plot also. He has missed how Gopal is very psychotic. He's after a point he's just slapping people. Like, he only doesn't slap the boy, he slaps his own sister. he slaps his sister, right? He
हाँ जोर के
slaps
थप्पड़ मारता है उसको कि तूने क्यों लिया मेरे वॉलेट से पैसे.
वो राधा को भी थप्पड़ मारता है वो
and his sister's problem with the slap is कि मुझे इस बात का वो नहीं है कि आपने मुझे थप्पड़ मारा हो, आपका हक है, आप मुझे थप्पड़ मार ही सकते हो, being the man and the elder brother you get to slap me, but आपने भाभी के सामने
Oh
कैसे
my
मारा? Because another level of sexism. उसके सामने कैसे मारा आपने? Oh
और
God.
उसके बाद नीता नाम है ना उसका, नीता कुछ तो ऐसा ही नाम होता है, बट एंड देन शी इज लाइक
नीता I guess. हाँ.
वो इंडियन कपड़े पहनने लग जाती है फिर उसके बाद, मतलब
हाँ, like from
she's
being the
very
modern girl, college girl, suddenly, I don't know what switches, she becomes very sanskari. Maybe.
what switches probably domestic violence, but okay, can't really say
Oh,
much because the whole thing
एक
is
थप्पड़
domestic
पड़ा
violence.
and he slapped the modern girl out of her. Like,
That's what they're trying to show in the movie, and I find it very problematic.
नहीं नहीं
Like,
ऐसा थोड़ा कुछ दिखाते हैं यार कि थप्पड़ मारने की वजह से वो चेंज हो जाती है, वो तो डाइवोर्स वगैरह बाद में सडनली
मतलब मूवी में बहुत ऐसे स्लट शेमिंग एंड लाइक प्रमोशन
वो तो
ऑफ
बहुत
दिस
ज्यादा है.
I don't know, ideal, whatever, quote unquote, image of a woman, बहुत promoted. Like, I genuinely feel this is the worst film I have ever seen, like, irrespective of Shah Rukh Khan. Because the whole movie was like, I was like, is this satire? Like, are they being sarcastic? What are they doing? Why is this movie star-studded? And why are all of these stars saying the most rubbish, nonsensical, problematic things? And the plot does not make any sense. Like, it was definitely worse than Zero. And I will even go the extent of saying ki at least in Zero they tried to do something. Like, you could tell that there was some thought behind the plot and the execution failed. Here there was no sense behind the plot, there was no sense behind the execution. I will not even say that the acting was good, okay, across the board. Like, I'm sorry, Shah Rukh was funny at times, but I was laughing and I was like, "ये क्या बोल रहा है?" Not like, "Oh wow, he's funny" kind of way. I'm laughing at like, the fuck, why is he saying this like that way? I want to put this movie so far behind me and just never think about the fact that we watched it ever again.
Yeah, there's so many things wrong.
बीच बीच में आ रहा होता नहीं, so it has to like
रैंडम भी आ जाता है ये लिरिक्स, रैंडम कुछ भी चल रहा है दिखाना आ जाएगा. And this movie गाने भी बकवास है except for
yes,
कोई भी गाना अच्छा था. I didn't like this song either.
The theme, the tune of Hum Tumhare San was nice, but I will prefer to listen to Dil Laga Liya, which has the same tune any day. I fucking hate everything to do with this movie. I will not listen to a single song from this movie also ever again.
So, and I was thinking about it, there's this song that comes in towards the end, which is the whole ye raade usnana kaisa sila diya something, and that
how do you remember
song,
this? How do you remember this?
Who are you asking, yaar, Diggy?
Yeah. So,
sorry. Yeah.
So kab tak, like the kaisa sila diya is basically in the movie. It's like an edit of the movie. Like in that song, like if anybody wants to watch a summary of the movie, they can just go and watch Kaisa Sila Diya ka video and they will get what happened in the movie from start to end in that song. And they kept that 5-minute song in the movie. Like, I am like, what were you smoking? I want to know.
Honestly, if like somebody just wants to have a recap of the movie, watch that YouTube video of a guy who does regular recaps. If you type "Hum Tumhare Sanam" recap video, वो पहला एक दूसरे link आएगा. It's funny.
Yeah, at least that's
good
funny.
10 minutes of laughter. Yeah. He points out all the stupid misogynistic shit they say and why the movie makes absolutely no sense at all. And that's a good 10 minutes that you can invest into this movie. They don't make the mistake that we did.
Which is watching a 3.5 hour movie in the case of Diggy twice.
Yeah, well.
But I have a question. You guys have seen this movie before?
Yeah.
I have seen this before.
So you knew what you were getting into? Like I have no idea.
No, so I'd never watched it like in one go. So the whole extent of how bad it is didn't hit me together. Right? You see it in parts. Because बचपन में थोड़ा ना बैठ के कि आज मैंने हम तुम्हारे सनम देखनी है. वो जिस दिन आ रही थी सिनेमा में उस दिन देख ली तुमने. जो जॉन से पॉइंट से स्टार्ट किया उतना देख लिया, जब मम्मा ने बोल दिया उठ के जाओ काम करो चले गए. So I mean it was basically watching it in parts, but हाँ थोड़ी थोड़ी करके देखी थी. I knew how it ends, and I think I've seen all the scenes at some point, but full extent, as I said, hit me for the first time. It's actually such a bad movie.
मैंने तो पूरी ही देखी हुई है कभी पहले, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर, क्योंकि मेरे को काफी कुछ याद था. एंड honestly, I went into watching it from the point that I know how ridiculously bad it is, that I just laughed it off. Like that was like I was laughing up to a point, and then it got really misogynistic, and I was like, what the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck. But like honestly, it's so bad that it's kind of good at some points, but not at all. Like as a full movie, I cannot even tolerate the idea of watching it again. But some of Shah Rukh's monologues are like in the movie are like he's actually the audience, and he's speaking what the audience might be speaking. And some of those wittiness kind of sometimes land, and then sometimes he just goes into this ballistic, misogynistic, idiotic things that the character says. Like the horse wala scene and everything. Like some of those scenes are some
कौन
part
सा horse
funny,
वाला
and
scene?
then
वो हॉर्स की
जब
स्टैचू
वो
से जो बात
pillars
कर
के
रहा होता है.
monologue
Yeah, I'm
है
saying
जो
for the
उसका.
benefit of the audience, ki maybe just give them context what you're talking about, Preeti.
Yeah, even
Horse
I
wala
was
scene.
confused. Remember, I just watched this movie and I'm like, was there a horse racing scene in the movie that I forgot about? And then I suddenly remembered, अरे हाँ वो एक स्टैचू से बात कर रहा होता है, अपना दुख सुना रहा होता
So
है
he's
उसको.
drunk out of his mind and is talking to a horse statue and saying कि तेरी life कितनी सही है, तेरी शादी नहीं हुई है. So something similar.
You know, I
And
think
you
the
know, I
problem
think
is that Shah Rukh Khan's character in the movie had no friends. If he had friends, someone would have told him कि भाई तू गलत है इस सिनेरियो में. मतलब थोड़ा अकल ठिकाने लगा.
I think that's the whole problem with every character. Like Salman and Madhuri also should have had other friends saying, "Hey, bro, like this isn't cool, right?" Like
Yeah,
everything
also
is sort
I
of wrong in
think
the movie. Nobody's
both of
telling
them,
them where you're wrong.
yeah, and both of them by themselves are dumb. Together they are dumber. So like
हाँ,
there is
yeah.
no, it's just a
Like
cycle of
हाँ,
idiocy.
extremely dumb. Like
like
Shah Rukh at least has some thoda. He at least realizes कि यार this isn't right. Like this
हाँ
should
थोड़ी
not be
सेल्फ
happening.
अवेयर दिखाया है ना उसको. लाइक वो अपने
हाँ,
ग्रैंडफादर जो भी वो उसका अडॉप्टेड पापा दादा जो भी है वो इसमें
हाँ,
आलोकनाथ, वो
आलोकनाथ,
भेज देते
yeah.
हैं ना उसको यात्रा
तीर्थ
पे,
यात्रा पे.
तीर्थ
चारधाम यात्रा पे, कि भाई
क्योंकि
तू
he
जा
wants to have
तेरा
sex.
उम्र हो गई है.
नहीं उसको
अरे
सेक्स
इसकी
करना होता है.
नहीं नहीं शादी हुई है, ऑल ऑफ दैट ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, वांट टू स्पेंड टाइम विद द
Yeah.
वाइफ एंड एवरीथिंग.
You want to spend time with the wife? Wink, wink.
Yeah.
Wink, wink.
And he like at some point he's like so done with it, he's like, okay fine, let me take her out to another country. I will pay for
And
everything.
he tells her it'll be you and me and no one else. It's Switzerland.
हमें कोई
The
नहीं होगा हमें
next
डिस्टर्ब करने
second,
वाला.
सूरज का फोन, अरे तुम भी स्विट्जरलैंड जा रहे हो, चलो हमारे साथ. बहन सुधर जा. What are you doing?
Like what part of honeymoon don't you get? Like is my
हाँ, he
question.
tells her कि honeymoon है. She stays like नहीं सूरज तुम भी आओ
And then she's
हमारे
like,
साथ.
अच्छा मेरा भाई भी होगा, वो भी चलेगा ना. फिर then she's like, नहीं मुझे नहीं जाना, बहुत तो बहुत ठंड होती है and blah blah blah. And then I'm like, if I was offered by a partner on a fully paid trip to fucking Switzerland, I
वो भी
wouldn't
शाहरुख.
be making this.
Not just any partner.
And she asking dumb questions like कि वो उसमें प्लेन में जाना पड़ेगा, मुझे डर लग गया. तो यार सही में उसको इलिटरेट दिखाया है क्या? मतलब पढ़ी
या
लिखी नहीं है
मतलब कुछ
जिंदगी
ज्यादा ही
में.
स्टूपिड कैरेक्टर है. तो सारे
बहुत
के
ही
सारे
stupid
बहुत
character.
स्टूपिड कैरेक्टर एंड उनकी स्टूपिडिटी पे शाहरुख जो वैसे मजाक क्रैक करते रहता है ना. मतलब आई डोंट वांट टू लाफ बट इट्स काइंड ऑफ फनी आल्सो. इट्स लाइक दैट
हाँ,
ग्रे
like Salman is fucking calling her at random. मतलब वो अपने हस्बैंड के साथ है and he wants to spend time with her. And वो सलमान उसको कॉल कर रहा है and वो उठा रही है, उसको बोल रहा है यार मुझे डायरिया हो रहा है, मुझे मेडिसिन बताओ घर पे. इतना इनकेपेबल है तू, तुझे दवाई नहीं मिल रही है. मतलब हद है.
And he lives with a secretary or something, right? The date
हाँ,
whoever.
yeah,
Like it's
full
like,
time help है
like
उसके
she,
पास.
She never lived in that house. Why does she know where is your medicine? Excuse me, please.
Dude, speaking of help, at multiple points in the movie, I felt like they were focusing the camera on the guy who works in Shah Rukh Khan's house, right? And the way they're focusing the camera, I'm like, भाई ये चाचा कुछ तो बवाल मचाने वाले हैं. उनको ऐसे
कलेशी
जगह
चाचा.
पे दिखाया कलेशी चाचा टाइप. Nothing. He does nothing. He has zero contribution to the plot. Why were they bar zooming in on him? Like it was giving such soap opera vibes. Like मतलब you are watching Ekta Kapoor K serial and उसमें कुछ भी चल रहा है, किसी पे भी फोकस जा रहा है, किसी का कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है सीन में, लेकिन उस पे 3 बार जूम करेगा, वैसा वाइब आ रहा था. मतलब this actually maybe if they had made it as a K serial, no, they would have done a little bit of a better job with the angst.
Oh, it
because
is
it would have
so.
dragged on
I
for a few
swear.
weeks and everything, and then maybe मतलब घर में बैठी हाउसवाइफ देख रही होती है and like अरे वाह क्या सीरियल बनाया है. But as a film, no.
अंजलि
साड़ी पहन के सोती है वो.
अंजलि सर, हाँ, मेकअप एंड साड़ी, like she's waking up at 3 a.m. and वो full तैयार है, like एकदम right out of Ekta Kapoor serial. My God, Anjali was seeing it with me and she had the same thought कि ये तो serial है, ये तुम क्यों serial देख रहे हो शाहरुख खान का? And I'm like, यार ये मजबूरी है, अब ले लिया है पंगा. Oh God,
But you know, like in the
really
movie,
no redeeming factor about the movie.
the other thing that I had massive issues with, apart from the otherwise hopeless plot, was like, first of all, I felt like it's a Salman Khan movie. Like Shah Rukh Khan is not even the main character in his own engagement. He is never the main character anywhere. All the songs, most of them, apart from the Hum Tumhare Sanam title track, are actually picturized on Salman Khan. He is given the first credit on the movie. And it made me so angry.
Why did it make you so
Preeti,
angry? It's such a shit movie.
Preeti, you and Gopal same to same. गोपाल को भी यही प्रॉब्लम था कि उसकी लाइफ में सूरज मेन कैरेक्टर है.
इनका सूरज मध्यम क्या बोलता है, हमारा सूरज आपको भी नहीं ढलता है. Like I was like, yeah, you are right. Like
नहीं तो उसमें अच्छी बात है ना. My head canon is कि शाहरुख को रियलाइज कि बहुत घटिया मूवी होने वाली है. Let me just get it edited in a way कि I am not the main character. फ्लॉप हुआ है सलमान खान जो है.
इतने गाने पेरिस पिक्चर में कितना, उसमें भी वही सारे उसकी वीडियो में वही सलमान खान आया जा रहा है. Then he's shooting this song, recording this song, and these guys go there and they are doing this Dele Mein Lal Tai. What is that song?
Oh God.
Yeah, also we have to talk about the fact that this is a universe in which Salman Khan is a superstar for his singing and dancing.
Yeah, dancing.
He's singing and dancing, and it's so bad. The choreography is bad. The execution is bad. The music is bad. The outfits are bad. Everything about it is bad. Who are his fans? Who is watching him perform on stage? Who is paying money to go and watch that on a stage? Like, oh my God.
I think the overall इसमें इनके बजट का भी इशू होगा कहीं ना कहीं, because the production quality of the movie is so crap. Like उनका शादी का सेट लगता है जैसे पता नहीं कहाँ पे चल रहा है. Where सलमान is performing ऐसा लगता है मोहल्ले में ने लगा दिया है एक चार कटाई और वहाँ बैठ के नाच भाई तू अपना. It is such a हमने शाहरुख की बात ही नहीं करी इसमें, which is
they didn't think about it. I don't think they thought that it's a bad movie. They thought they're making something which is going to get into the nuances of marriage and whatever, and then they just couldn't. Like I understood what where Shahrukh was coming from, and then I didn't. I could understand probably where Madhuri is coming from, and I didn't. Salman Khan, I didn't give two fucks about, so he can.
So everyone almost has something concrete going on, like almost, like so close. Yeah. I don't know what will push it over to that edge where it actually starts to make sense, because none of it does. But oh my God, what a movie, guys.
There's that scene where his secretary, like to your point, like his secretary is sort of hitting on him, and he's very uncomfortable, and you feel like, okay, at least he's doing this right. He's done. Because he feels betrayed by his wife, so he's not indulging in cheating on her.
And then she says, talking about domestic abuse.
And then he's like, वो तुम्हारा पति है, वो उसका हक है, वो जो भी करे, थोड़ी बहुत ही लड़ाई होते रहती है.
The secretary makes a very good point that and it gets just lost in the way because the way it's treated. The secretary does say that that doesn't give him a right or something like if I want to go out of my marriage and be happy, something she says, and she hits on him, which is, I don't know how I feel about it as a conversation, but like she was trying to make good points here and there, and it's never really like, it is just negated by pure misogyny and sexism. And I don't know.
I mean, to be fair, her point is that if I don't find love in my marriage, can I not find it outside of marriage? Which is not exactly like a very good point. Like,
Yeah, I mean,
I
get a
understand
divorce.
if she talked about domestic abuse and then all of that, but that's not what she says. She says कि अगर मुझे हक नहीं है किसी और को प्यार करने का, चाहे मैं सिर्फ उसको चाहूं, कुछ करूं ना उस पे. It's not well laid out, that point she's trying to make.
I'm saying
I love
they
how
don't never
they're
say
trying
divorce is a
so
thing.
hard to find sense in this absolute bullshit of a film. I just love it.
नहीं यार, इस मूवी में सेंस नहीं है.
हनीमून से
This movie is a bloody
हनीमून से
remake.
आगे उसको स्वेटर दे देती है यार. हाँ, उसने साउथ इंडियन मूवी, like the director maybe made it in Hindi, ना? He made it in
Yeah,
another language
same
and then he
director.
ended up making it in Hindi. Yeah.
Yeah,
And it took them 5 years to make the movie.
I don't know.
Yeah,
कुछ तो
something
लगेगा.
like that.
So
I could see
Yeah.
Salman Khan's hair getting less and less throughout the movie in some ways, and then I went back to his current photos to see the kind of hair now he has, and I was like, oh हाँ ठीक है, अब तो बिल्कुल ही पता चल रहा है कि ट्रांसप्लांट करा है, because उसका एकदम यहाँ से जो फ्रंट हेयर लॉस होता है काफी ज्यादा दिख रहा है. Sorry, I don't know why I'm bashing Salman Khan for no reason at all, but yeah, did not like his presence in the movie too much.
cool. I
I
think
think now we
let's
should
not.
try to simp.
We should.
I have no simp moment.
Where do we simp? It's just.
My simp moment
I
was
don't
when the end credits started rolling.
No,
Nikki,
it's.
you also don't have any simp moments. At any point, you didn't think Gopal is being so cute. Like, wow,
I
am
mean,
I being the
नहीं, प्रीति
only-
बता दे,
will
प्रीति
have
बोल दे. देखो क्यूट
I
लगा
think
ना,
my
बोल
only-
दे.
My
अन्ना
only simp
प्यार है
moments
तेरा,
were
कोई
when.
बात नहीं.
पर उसकी ये थे कि simp moments नहीं, when he's like commenting on their, when he's talking to himself or thinking to himself. कई बार वो funny होता है थोड़ा सा. But I mean, it's although I mean, I think that Shah Rukh didn't do a bad job of acting. He was given the role of whatever he was given of. वो उसने सही से किया. Maybe not his best, but it
He
wasn't a
chose
bad
the role.
acting job.
Like let's not.
Yeah,
He was
he
not
chose the
given the role. Okay, he
Yeah,
read the script.
मतलब
He knew what he was signing up for, and he signed up for it. Okay, I'm sorry guys.
Yeah,
I'm not. मेरा प्यार अंधा नहीं है. ठीक है, मैं सुमन नहीं हूँ.
agreed with you. But I think whatever he was given, he tried to do justice. He tried justice. He tried to do it faithfully. It came out absolutely
Sure.
wrong because the character is so badly written.
Sure.
Like-
Okay.
No, let me give a comparison. Like, see, I love Madhuri as, like, in general, she's a great actor. She has very great face expressions, all that. But she is doing a bad job as an actor in the movie.
Such a bad job. Amir, sorry,
Salman
Yeah,
Khan
fair.
है तो
I
हमें
mean, that
कोई
way, Shah Rukh doesn't drop in the film. Like his acting is still his acting.
is
like he's
exactly.
still putting
Everybody
his
else is correct.
efforts. Like, so yeah, I think my sim moment, if I had to bring one,
Goda.
would be
Look at her
no, not the
smiling.
Ghoda, of course.
If I had to bring one, as if she hasn't been thinking about it, कि मेरी बोलना है कि मूवी जैसे भी कचरा थी, लेकिन मेरा शाहरुख बेस्ट.
हाँ, मेरा So the first time Shah Rukh and Radha meet as adults, and Alok Nath is saying कि मैंने तुम्हारी शादी तय कर दी है राधा के साथ, something, or then he says कि
Cute scene.
आपने मुझसे पूछा or something, and then मैं तो बचपन से किसी और से प्यार or something, and Radha comes in, उससे तो कोई पूछता भी नहीं because of course she's a woman, and then वो हाँ बोल देता है something, and then he tells her, he meets her for a date kind of thing in the house, I don't know, and I don't remember the exact scene, but वो उससे बोलता है कि मैं किसी और से प्यार करता हूँ बचपन से, घर घर खेलते थे, or something, अब वो मेरे रूम में है. She goes into the room and then there is a mirror And then Shah Rukh is being all romantic and all of that, and then he was like, she's here in the room and something, and then he looks at, yeah, to main hu. And Madhuri didn't get it there as well. Like he had to fucking spell it out to
Oh,
her.
it was so dumb. Like she's so dumb.
Like he's being all DDLJ ka Raj there, and then she's like, "What the fuck are you talking about? I don't get this." So anyway, so when he's doing all of those things and he's being romantic with her and trying to spend time with her, or telling her euphemism for sex as football. I don't know if that's romantic, but yeah, like that one scene when he tells her that this is the person I'm in love with and shows her the mirror. Yeah, that's my moment maybe. And also one of the scenes which I really laugh at every time I still watch it on YouTube is the one where he has 2 phones from his office. और जो एक में वो उसको फोन करता है अपनी बीवी को और एक से वो सूरज को फोन करता है, देन होल अंडे का ऑमलेट वाला जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है, क्या बनाया, किसका ऑमलेट बनाया, अंडे का ही तो है, दैट इज स्टूपिड. तो आई थिंक दैट मोनोलॉग वेयर यू आर
This is the extent of Preeti simping on Shah Rukh.
Problematic Shah Rukh.
हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम, she's found 2 simping moments. 2. हम लोग regularly 1 या 2 निकालते हैं, इसने इसमें 2 निकाल लिए हैं. Can't really simp that much on this. It was a movie I can easily forget and discount that Shah Rukh ever did. It's
Ratings,
okay.
reviews, my scale has now changed. It is Hum Tumhare Hai Sanam
From
to Bazigar.
Sanam to Bazigar.
So I would
Same,
like to
this was
bump
the-
0 up to half a star and give Hum Tumhare Hai Sanam like minus 50,000. Fucking hated this film.
Like, I would really any day watch 0 rather than this.
after watching Hum Tumhare Hai Sanam.
It's about
We definitely need to go back to our 0 episode and listen how badly we rated.
No, but when we watched 0, we were so disappointed. Like you could tell that we were all heartbroken from how bad that movie was. This is angering. Like watching this movie, I was furious. I'm like, why have I subjected myself to this? Like 0 is like, yaar, mera favorite actor kya kar raha hai? This is like, ye mera favorite actor hai. Difference, like in emotion for me for watching both
oh
films.
god.
Oh yeah. Will you
Chalo,
watch
cool,
it again,
so-
Diksha?
No. Any other actor except for Shah Rukh, I would be grateful if Shah Rukh was not in this movie. I would be so happy. Maybe out of that happiness, I would watch it once. Just to be like, at least Shah Rukh is not in this.
Cool. All right. Yeah. Why are we discussing this? The answer is very obvious. We are not watching this again, Preeti, irrespective of who's
You
fucking
watched
actor
it
in the
second
movie.
time. You fast forwarded it. So you definitely did
that
watch it
means
for
I-
the second time.
Within 20 minutes,
your
like
research.
tick. For research, not for anything else. But okay, cool. We are going to go ahead in the quiz section and do that also very quickly because I really don't. I didn't prepare the quiz. I honestly didn't.
I didn't prepare for the quiz.
Surprise.
So I'm just going to tell you actor names. You have to tell me who they played in the movie. Every question, like this is about, I don't know, 6, 7. There'll be another 3, 4 points overall. We'll see. But that's the
Okay,
level of
and then we
effort
have to
that's the level of
buzz it,
effort I've
na?
done. Yeah. Okay. Suman Ranganathan.
Diksha,
Go ahead.
Aishwarya Rai.
No. I'm telling you the actor name. You tell me the
Oh.
character name. That's why I went Suman.
Oops.
Preeti, you want to take a shot at this?
Preeti Neeta.
Yeah, correct. Also, you don't need to, like,
Okay.
I'll give you half a point if you tell me the reference. Okay, this is the character. If you don't even remember the name, I'm okay with that. Then you'll get half a point for that. So if you had told me Shah Rukh's sister, I would have given you like half a point for that. Okay?
Okay.
Cool.
Cool.
Okay, so I get it.
Preeti gets 1 point, yeah. Lakshmikant Birde.
Preeti.
Go ahead.
The date guy.
What date?
Salman Khan's personal assistant.
Oh, how is he the date guy?
That's what they call him because he keeps all his dates in the calendar and everything for recording his song.
Okay. Cool. Preeti gets half a point for that. Preeti is 1.5.
I can't be winning a quiz on Hum Tumhare Sanam of all the
You
movies
said-
I've done.
Okay.
Mm.
Atul Agnihotri.
Preeti, the brother, Madhuri Dixit's brother, I don't remember his name. Amitabh Bachchan's fan, he wears
Yeah,
Amitabh
half a
Bachchan's
point for
t-shirts
you.
and lockets.
She's not even attempting. She's like, fuck this shit. Mere ko nahi karna. Okay.
He's related to Salman, no? In some ways.
He's his brother-in-law.
Hmm.
Yeah. Payal
Okay.
Malhotra.
Diksha.
Yeah, go ahead.
Assistant.
Who's assistant?
Shah Rukh's assistant.
Correct. Yeah, I'll give you 1 point for that. उसका नाम मुझे भी नहीं पता. और उसमें भी नहीं है शायद. And it's 1 point. ठीक है, 1 to you, and I think Preeta's at 2 points. Yeah. Cool. Maybe just one more around this. You can see I have made कहीं पे मैंने लिखा हुआ है ये सब मुझे खुद नहीं पता.
विकिपीडिया खोल के क्वेश्चंस बना रही थी.
Yeah. Okay. Vikas Anand.
Diksha.
Go ahead.
Is it that lawyer guy?
No, it's not the lawyer guy.
Preeti, is it the help, like the Chacha, Kaka, whatever?
Yes, it's the
Had
Chacha
to be
Kaka.
one of them.
Had to be one of them. Cool. Preeti is at 2.5. Diksha is at 1. Perfect. All right. So, this is one of the rare movies where Salman and Shah Rukh were together, and then they had a whole fight some years after that, and they then did 20 movies. Basically, I want you to tell me all the movies that they've done, and I'll tell you how. Again, this question will go. Somebody buzz first. They start telling me all the names. I'll tell you when to buzz. Let me finish. Okay.
But एक second
Yeah.
question. Sorry,
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a clarifying question before you finish it. Will the guest appearances count?
Everything counts. Everything counts. They should be in the same movie. Not even if they don't share screen space. I mean, they do in all of them. So basically, tell me all the movies that Shah Rukh and Salman have been so far. How it goes is whoever buzzes first gets to start telling me the names, and once they don't remember or forget, the other person starts. And जितने नाम बोले उतना आपको point मिल जाए.
Diksha.
Okay. Preeti.
I waited for you to finish the question before buzzing.
Yeah, Diksha, go ahead.
I said Preeti, no, first.
I heard Diksha first. That's the nature of the game. Sorry.
Okay. कुछ
go
होता
ahead.
है.
It's half a point per movie. Yeah, go ahead now.
Okay, cool. कुछ होता है.
Yeah, perfect.
Pathan.
Good.
Tube Light 0.
Yeah. Fair.
Tiger 3. Can you tell how many movies are there?
No. Oh,
Okay.
actually, I had a very different format in the for this question, but I'll use that sometime else. But go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम.
Yeah, that's 5, I think. Yeah.
Karan Arjun.
Okay. So that's 6.
Om Shanti Om.
Correct.
Okay, pass.
Preeti.
उसके बाद तो है ही नहीं, मुझे तो याद भी नहीं है उसके बाद तो मुझे तो
एक
ये
movie
सारे
है.
याद थे.
एक movie है. This movie has come up in the previous quiz also. Our previous quiz as in the quiz episode. Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan in this movie together.
Do not remember. अब तो एक है तो बिल्कुल याद नहीं आएगा. So I'll
हर दिल जो प्यार
let
करेगा.
Diksha.
That's okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Yes. Cool. Testing SRK knowledge because I don't know the movie knowledge. Okay. Cool. Diksha is at 4.5. Preeti is at 2.
Shit, am I winning this? Oh.
See, but
ठीक है,
like
ये
you
question
got,
fun था.
yeah. So I'll tell you the format I had in mind for this is that I want you to, because I knew कि immediately buzz कर दोगे and उधर unfair हो जाएगा, but initially I thought कि the moment you buzz, you need to tell me the exact amount of movies you will tell me. If you don't, you get 0 points.
Oh, I thought we could go one by one.
Yeah, no, that's not too fun. वो तो फिर मिल ही जाता है आते आते point till you forget. So I wanted to make it challenging. You don't immediately just buzz, but we can use that sometime else. Okay, cool. Yeah, who so this movie started in so there are 2 parts to this question. The movie was initially conceptualized in year X. Tell me the year X. That's 1 point. And actually forget, yeah. That's the question. And I'll ask the rest later.
Diksha.
Go ahead.
Preeti.
1996.
Yeah, that's correct.
I just did X minus Y. We mentioned कि 5 साल लगे मूवी बनाने में.
तो 2002 में आई थी मूवी है.
हाँ तो एक बफर कर दिया ना मैंने. मेरे को लगा 5 साल मूवी बनाने में लगी तो 1 साल पहले conceptualize.
It was actually conceptualized in 96 and then it was shelved. And then it was revisited somewhere in 2001 and then it was released. It's not like they shot the movie over 5 years. It was just revived later on. Cool, Diksha, you're killing the quiz for Hum Tumhare Sanam. Okay, so Diksha is at 5.5, Preeti is at 2.5. The next question is for 3 marks. You'll have to use a buzzer, and if you
What
tell
the
me
hell?
the three parts to this, Preeti will tie the quiz. All right. Who were the 3 people originally cast for this movie? In Shah Rukh, Salman, and Madhuri's place.
No idea.
No clue.
Can I guess?
Yeah. Yes.
Very random, but was it the cast of Dhadkan? Like Sunil Shetty, Akshay Kumar, and
No.
Shilpa Shetty.
not even one you got correct. एक भी तो सही नहीं लगा. Oh man.
No
You want to take
idea.
a guess?
Not even attempting.
It's Amir, Juhi, and Sunny Deol.
अनादत है. बढ़िया रहता. देखती नहीं मैं फिर.
I swear. कोई ना देखता script. Anyways, through a thumping victory, one of Diksha's proudest moments on this podcast, which we have won the.
Yeah, I'm
Hamare
actually
Sanam
proud
quiz.
that I guess like almost all the Shah Rukh Salman movies minus one.
Yeah.
Like when I thought of buzzing, I had 2 in mind. I had like Tubelight and what was the first one? I said Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Kuch
Then I
Kuch
was like,
Hota
let
Hai.
me just keep
That's the
trying.
movie.
Kuch kuch yaad aa raha hai.
I thought
Cool,
most
guys.
of them in my head, and then you buzzed. So I think that's
Yeah, see,
where
that's why I should have just gone with the original format. Okay, tell me the number of movies immediately. Otherwise, the other person gets the.
मेरे को लगा वो भी पूछोगे डिगी कि कितने सारे म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स ने इस मूवी का म्यूजिक बनाया है.
क्यों पूछूंगा मैं? क्यों पूछूंगा मैं क्वेश्चन? मेरे को नहीं जान. मेरे को
His
नहीं जानना है.
expression.
Do you know the answer to this?
I know there are like a
You've
whole
done the
bunch of
research,
people
na?
on it.
I have no
I know
idea.
there are a bunch of
Yeah,
याद नहीं. मैंने
I mean,
know
all of
बहुत
them
सारा उसमें.
probably wish they hadn't. So
Yeah, there's a
Six
whole list of
people.
people.
Six people.
And this is
So
what they
it's
came out
Anu
with. This
Malik's
is
brother.
horrible.
Yeah, like all of these people made these songs. I think सारे गाने एक गाना
Tabbu
किसी
Malik,
ने
Bappi
बनाया.
Lahiri, Nikhil Vijay,
Yeah.
Nadeem Shravan, Sajid Wajid. Yeah.
slow
And this
clap.
is what they could come up
Slow
with.
clap for all of them on a wonderful, wonderful soundtrack. Memorable, iconic, legendary.
But see, as fans, it's okay. He will not come up with 65 good movies.
Yeah.
There will
Yeah,
be a
it's okay.
worst movie. There will be a. I know.
Yeah, we can
As
just
we
at
have
the end
found
of
it.
bar.
If,
Yeah,
if we
at the
watch a
end of-
movie worse than this, oh bhai, maza hi aa
You know, we
jayega. I'm
we
waiting
should
for
have
an episode where I will be like, oh my god, guys, Hum Tumhare Hai Sanam was not that bad.
We should have a tier list. 10 rupees Sims tier list of SRK movies. And we can start with putting Hum Tumhare Sanam in F tier. Then work our way up. Bazigar in tier A. Anyways, cool. That brings us to the end of this brilliant podcast. Diksha, you want to...
Brilliant
doing-
podcast. I love it.
Movie
We're
से तो
doing,
better ही है. तुमने यहाँ तक सुन लिया ना, तो I guarantee you had more fun than watching the movie.
Cool. Okay, so we are doing 2010's movie next, correct?
Yes, and I have
Diksha
picked
has
my
chosen,
movie.
so we get to guess. I don't even know if somebody's already
Can I
picked
guess first?
out of it. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll tell you which
Then
ones are
I
already
expect-
picked, so you don't take those. Dawn 2 is reserved because Manya is coming back, and Dear Zindagi is already reserved. Baki guess karo.
Cool. Preeti, go
I
first.
guess Chennai Express.
Ravan.
Okay, both wrong. I picked Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I knew it. It's some time ago Diksha wanted to choose Happy New Year, I remember.
Yeah, I was like,
मैंने भी
फारा
छोटे
खान ने
छोटे
बनाई
देखे
है,
हैं.
कितनी ही बुरी होगी. चलो देख लेते
It's a good movie. I like it. I watched it like
yeah,
3-4
that's generally the
times.
consensus I've heard. Ki it's a nice movie. So I was like,
It's a
चलो.
nice, good movie. Recap देख मैं तो बहुत बार देखी हुई movie just to have a good time.
मैंने देखी है अभी पिछले 1-2 महीने पहले देखी है. So yes,
Yeah,
kind
it's a good movie, and he has abs in it, so Preeti is just gonna have a really good time.
I don't think we're gonna hear from Preeti when we're watching this movie.
She's like तुम करो बात. मैं खुश है.
No, I have a bone to pick. I have a bone to pick with Farah in this movie, so we'll talk about it in the next episode.
Okay.
Chalo. Okay, all right.
Thank you for listening in.
Thank you for listening in, and I don't know, bearing anything to do with the movie.
Thank
Chalo.
you guys,
Bye, guys.
also, Preeti and Diggy and Diksha, for doing
Hey,
this
yeah.
for the benefit of everyone
Yes.
else, so they don't have to watch.
I swear. Cool. All right.
हम तुम्हारे
Bye,
हैं
guys.
सनम, real ones.
Real ones. चलो, I think we should just wrap it up.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.